What's wrong with your phone, you said?
I dropped it, broke the screen front and back. T-Mobile couldn't do anything for me. Assurant denied my claim even though I was paying $13 a month for the last year on the phone. They couldn't do anything.
Don't worry, I got you. Your phone is ready, sir.
Perfect. Holy shit. Awesome.